I've been seeing many foreigners who think doenjang jjigae is not good because soybean paste has its own special smell. But this beef brisket doenjang jjigae will be fine, even if you're not used to it. It has an amazing taste. I'm sure you will love it. Making it is also not that hard. The hardest part is just cutting. Chop potato into bite-sized pieces. Onion, zucchini too. Cut the green onion sideways like this. Cut tofu into any size you want. After finish the cutting, pour in some sesame oil. If you don't have it, you can use just cooking oil. When the pot is hot enough, put in the beef brisket. This is thinly sliced beef brisket. I recommend you use this for the stew. And when the beef color has changed, add all the chopped vegetables except tofu. Tofu will cook very quickly, so we put it into the pot later. Add 1 spoon of ground garlic. Keep stirring them. You don't have to stir them until all the food is totally cooked. 70%, 80% cooked is fine. I cut the beef with scissors because it seems too big and it would be uncomfortable when you eat the meal. It's time to pour in the broth. Anchovy broth is the best for the stew. I don't have anchovy broth today, so pour in the rice washed water. You can use just water if you don't have any broth. It's okay. Now, most important part of this recipe. It's doenjang, soybean paste time. Japan also has soybean paste which is called miso, but this is Korean food. You have to use Korean soybean paste. Some people use only doenjang for the stew. I use doenjang and gochujang, which is Korean red pepper paste. 2 spoons of doenjang and 1 spoon of gochujang is the best harmony for the stew. Remember this. Dissolve the paste well. After that, put in the chopped tofu and mushroom. This is enoki mushroom. It doesn't matter which mushroom you use. Before you cover the lid, add a little bit of Korean chili powder. Boil 5 to 10 minutes. It hasn't stopped yet. You might think the taste is different from what you are used to eating if you taste the stew now. A pinch of pepper and half a spoon of salt is the last step. Add salt and pepper to taste. Look at this stew. Doesn't it look amazing? I'm telling you, it's so tasty. You must try it.